Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and of course this is the little series on where to go to get drivers from different manufacturers. And here is the one from the Dell website. So if you have a Dell product, then there are different ways to actually find what machine you have and so on. Once again, I want to mention that there is here on the upper right corner a place where you can change where you are and the language. So make sure that you choose whatever region you are around the world to get the correct page. There are several ways in Dell computers to actually have the information of what drivers you need and what model you have. All Dell computers have what they call a service tag, which is a number that is on a sticker on your laptop, desktop. That will actually give you immediately the correct page for the driver downloads to your device. There's also a download, there's an install support assist. What this does is this will actually install a software that will be able to identify your machine specifically. So once you have that available, then you'll be, of course, transported to all the drivers and the software that is available for your specific Dell computer. Don't go around just taking any drivers from any Dell machine. There are, thousands of different machines, all have different configurations. And so that means they all have slightly different drivers. Some drivers are the same for several machines. Some are unique for a specific machine. So that's why you need to find the exact model that you have. So that is also something important to check. So this is the page, the Dell page. Once again, like I said, once you get here, you should technically be redirected to the proper page of your area. But if it doesn't, just go on the upper right here and choose the region that you live. And then you can actually have all the information about whatever, desktop, laptop, printer, device that you might have purchased, which is branded by Dell Computers. So the link to the page is in the description below the video. This is where you'll get your Dell drivers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.